In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy a GitHub project on Vercel, step by step. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is prepare your GitHub repository. If you don't already have an account on GitHub, go ahead and create one. Log in, and once you're in, look for that green New button on the left side of your Repositories tab. Click on that to create a new repository. Make sure to give it a memorable name that reflects your project. You also want to choose whether you want this repository to be public or private, depending on if you want others to see your code or not. After you've set everything up, click that Create Repository button. Next, we need to upload your project files to this new repository. You can simply drag and drop those files directly into the web interface of your GitHub repository or use Git on your local machine to push your changes. Whichever way you go, make sure that all the necessary files are uploaded. Now that you're all set up on GitHub, it's time to connect to Vercel. Head over to vercel.com. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to sign up there. Once you're logged in, look for that big Start Deploying button. Click on it, and you'll get a prompt asking you to choose an option for authentication. Click on Continue with GitHub. This will link your GitHub account to Vercel, allowing Vercel access to your repositories. After connecting, you'll see a list of your GitHub repositories. Find your project repository that you just created and click on it. There's an option to import your project. You can even select specific repositories if you have multiple. Once you find the right repository, click on Install and let Vercel do its magic by preparing everything in the background. Once that's done, you'll be prompted to configure your deployment. You're going to want to give your project a name. It can be the same as your repository name or something completely different. Get creative if you'd like. Also, while you're here, make sure to select the correct framework preset if Vercel suggests one. If you're building a project with Next.js, React, Vue, or another framework, make sure to identify that clearly. This will help Vercel set things up more efficiently for your specific project needs. Finally, once you've configured everything, click the Deploy button. Vercel will now begin deploying your application. This might take just a moment, so sit tight and enjoy the little loading screen as it works. And just like that, congratulations! You've successfully deployed your project on Vercel. You can access your newly deployed site with a unique URL that Vercel creates for you. Go ahead and test it out. Remember, if you run into any issues along the way, Vercel's documentation and community can be incredibly helpful. So take a moment to explore that as well. I hope you enjoyed this step-by-step guide on deploying a GitHub project to Vercel. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.